Welcome to another Really, dude?
What,
a beer?
Man? Yeah, it's my post-workout beer.
Oh my gosh. All right. So today we're gonna do our first workout video. Oh, look at you, man.
That's right. But look at that ass, toothpick. Jesus Christ. You gains, bro. No homo.
What the? Okay. Anyways, guys, so right now we're starting with some deadlifts. We're trying to get our bodies a little warmed up. As you can tell, we're doing a pretty light weight, but this is heavy week, so you guys are going to see a lot of heavy weights. And we're doing back and biceps.
How come your hair didn't move?
Well, that's what it's jealous for.
Look at that. You know it's working when you can see the gut. Like, boop. What, you telling me to put away the gut or what?
I don't know, man. Yo, Weezy, what do you think is going on here, man?
Up, down, up, down.
Good talk, Weezy. Good talk.
Yeah, you're doing great. But yeah, so we're gonna do like now some laterals. Obviously, Chimi's already doing the heaviest weight in the gym, 90 pounds.
That's right. In front of a mirror. You know how shy I am.
It looks pretty easy, man.
Yeah?
You're doing
All
amazing.
Right. But then look at this guy next to me. What the heck, guy?
What, the one that takes steroids right there?
Yeah, the one that needs to go get a haircut.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Boom.
Oh, look at that, man. Look at those. Look at that movement, dude.
Boom.
Looking good right now. But look at that, man.
Here comes the champ.
Yeah, there
Here
you
comes
go.
the
Look
champ.
at that.
The guy's done. Look, he's pissed.
It looks like I'm on coke or something.
He's on the Miami pre-workout.
Is that freaking
Look
double
at
pre-workout, man?
He's energized.
Yeah, Weezy, I'm energized, I'm beautiful, I'm everything that you can ask for. And yes, let me make something clear right now. You guys are going to start talking shit about my form. I just had an injury today on my left shoulder, so that's why I'm doing those half reps. So don't start judging me right now and saying all kinds of shit in the comment section. But if you do, please don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and look at Wayne. He's a good support. Look at him. Now let's go to Wayne. Look at him. He's killing it. Killing it.
Come on, Wayne. You can do this. Look at that. Look at that ass.
He's so humble. He's hiding all his muscles with that freaking sweatshirt there.
Jesus, Wayne. There you go. Good form right there. Look at that. Look at that. All the way up, all the way down. That's how you do it.
Making us look bad. What are you doing, Weezy?
Oh, look at that. Oh, you show off.
Come on,
Stop
always.
showing off just because you can pull shit.
Come on. If it wasn't for Wayne supporting me right there, it would be all over. Look at him.
That's right.
But here we are focusing on heavy weights, as I told you guys. So we're trying to keep between 10 and 6 reps. And we just focus on power right now, you know. So
Total power.
That's right. And right now we're doing some lat pulls. And this focus a little bit on the midsection of your back. So there we go.
That's right. Look at me sweating, looking like I'm doing something. But come on, Weezy, you got to do it. You got to push, man. The guy almost gave up on us.
Look at Wayne, proper form, looking good. Man, look at that beard.
And look at my happy ass. I'm ready for this. I'm ready.
Yeah,
look at
I'm
trying to show off for those girls right there. Look at them. Trying to show off for those girls right there next to ladies. What's up, eh? All right, let's do this. All right, just for you.
Oh my
ladies.
God, look at that. There's more ladies in the back.
Ooh,
there,
look up, man.
Oh,
look
hey,
at
what's going on here? Jeez,
Wait, come back.
I love Miami.
I'm glad I stayed here. You know.
Hey man, but there you go. You see, now we do some lat pulls as well, but from the top.
That's right.
And we're trying to target all parts of our back. And again, don't talk about my form because I'll find you and I'll kill you.
That's right.
My left shoulder was badly injured today, so I tried. I tried to keep up with Jimmy and my best.
You killed it, Uzo. You killed it.
My best long friend, Weezy.
But then I come up and then boom, this shirt almost ripped off of me. Look at that. Because you know I'm too fat.
Look at that weight, bro. Look at those gains.
Look at that. I think I'm nipping a little bit. Look at that. It's cold in there in that gym or what?
Oh man, I can see your nipples through that shit. Look at Wayne. Wayne looking how cool. He wasn't looking the way. He was looking at the girls. You saw that?
Yeah, I saw it.
Now we're doing some biceps, and since the bicep is a smaller muscle, we're trying to focus on higher reps. So we're doing supersets. Look at that concentration, man.
Yeah. Well, would you say smaller muscles? Are you kidding me? Look at those beasts.
Man,
put those guns away, man.
Smaller muscles, it depends on who you're talking about.
And your hair still doesn't move. What the hell kind of gel do you use, man?
Hey, man, it's a secret gel, man. It's $5.99.
No,
what?
And nothing. All right, so back to this workout. Look at this supersetting.
Yeah, so we're supersetting right now, and Weezy, he's on his phone. He's supersetting his text messages right
That's how
now.
he works out. He's sending 2 messages at once.
Damn, Weezy's
killing it
right now with the superset right there.
Good support, Weezy.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, there you go. Carlos is doing his superset now. Look at that. Oh man, you're already exhausted, bro. What's going on, man?
I'm getting old on you guys, man.
But there you go.
But
Another
it's okay.
superset, and we're killing those biceps, man. That's
Boom.
the best way to go, man.
That's how Carlos Paz does it. Yes,
All
sir.
right.
That's motivation right there.
There it is.
Yeah, look at Weezy in the back, man.
Look
He's
at those-
appreciating you right now.
For real.
Look at those guns.
Look.
Pow, pow.
Pow, pow.
And here we're gonna finish with another superset.
That's right.
And pretty much we're gonna do some dumbbell curls, and we're gonna do 3 different weights, 10 sets each. And as you guys can see, I'm swinging a little bit, but don't judge me. I'm pretty exhausted at this time. I was already pretty tired, and my shoulder was still killing me. But
Look at him, look at him. He's killing it though. I'm trying to stand there like I know what I'm doing. Look at, okay, there it is.
Look at you
there
showing
it
off
is.
with your arms.
Just
Get
a
out of
little,
here.
hey? I mean, when the shirt fits, the shirt fits. You know what I'm saying, guys? Come on.
look at you, man. Looking like a coach and shit. Get out of here.
But look at the hot girl behind us. Another hot girl. Every time I'm around, man.
Yeah, man. It's your pheromones, man. Your smell, dude. I thought it was smelling a little bad, but apparently the girls like it.
Yeah, for real. It's that new musty smell. It's from Body Spray. What's the new one? Old Spice?
Oh, Old Spice has a musty smell now?
Exclusively on samsclub.com.
All right. Look at this guy advertising. Are they paying us for that?
And they will.
This dude had to play.
All right, so there you go. Carlos obviously doing 35s because he's a bitch.
Hey, come on. We're having a good time.
But there you go. He's doing a heavy-ass weight. And again, he's doing 3 sets, 10 reps each.
Eyes closed.
And eyes closed, so that's even harder.
You just got to focus on that beard. See, if you look at that beard, it does all the lifting for me. You see?
Yeah,
That's
pretty
all it
much.
is. Boom.
That's a handsome beard, by the way.
That's all it is. That's all
I
it
don't
is.
know about that, but
Beard gang. Beard gang.
he's getting those beard gains, those titty gains, and those arm gains.
And all those Gucci games, you know?
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
No. We're not going to do this
Yeah,
again.
yeah.
All right.
All right.
Anyways, but we're finishing the workout right now, guys. Please, if you love and enjoyed the video, subscribe to our channel. If you like this type of videos that we're doing, please show some love and
Like.
Yeah, definitely. Like, subscribe, and share, guys. I mean, we're more than happy to...
good workout,
Oh, never
man.
mind.
Right? Hell of a workout. Let's see what Carlos is doing, man, because we need to finish editing this video. Did you see Carlos?
Knock on the back of the door. What the? What the hell? Yo.
Hey, get up, man.
Yo, what the-
another half hour. You're early.